Welcome to Around the House, sponsored by Romac Building Supply. I'm your host, Don Magruder. Now, if you like today's video, please sure to go to our website, aroundthehouse.tv, and sign up for our YouTube channel and our weekly newsletter. Today, we have a special guest. Don Cary from Great Lakes Carpet and Tile is joining us, and we're going to discuss new trends in carpet, tile, and flooring, not only for the styles, but the trends as far as safety. There's much more to flooring than just looks, and I hope you understand and see how beautiful flooring can be today. But with that, I'd like to introduce Don Cary from Great Lakes Carpet and Tile. How are you doing today, Don?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Well, first thing, tell us a little bit about Don Cary and Great Lakes Carpet and Tile.
Well, Great Lakes Carpet and Tile is a family business. We're family owned and operated. My father actually went into the flooring business when he was 22 in Michigan, and they moved down in 1996 to retire, or actually 1986, and they came out of retirement to open up Great Lakes Carpet and Tile. So that's where our name came from. We had Michigan ties.
And where are your stores located?
Well, we have 4 stores now. We have recently opened up a store in Mount Dora. We have our main store in Lady Lake in the Villages. We have a store in Wildwood, which is actually our largest store, and we have a store in Ocala, out by On Top of the World.
But you service most of Central Florida.
Yes, we do, and we have a commercial department that services the whole state.
What type of flooring do you offer?
Oh, we offer all kinds of flooring, tile, luxury vinyl planking, which is very popular. The carpet, obviously, we're exclusive Cary dealer. We have wood flooring and laminate flooring, as well as a wider range of shower tiles. And
most people don't realize, especially if they're not from Florida, that flooring just takes a beating down here. Mm-hmm. The soil is sandy, wet. Mm-hmm. It clings to people's shoes. It's a rain shower every day.
Right.
The flooring around here just really takes a beating. What type of flooring, in your view, seems to do the best?
Well, obviously, you're bringing sand in from outside, and carpet doesn't handle it very well.
No.
So most people are putting carpet in their bedrooms, and then they're putting a durable flooring in the rest of the house just to keep those type of sandy conditions out of the flooring. But wood flooring is definitely a no-no, solid wood in Florida, just because of the climate. It tends to warp. So we have a wider range of engineered flooring that does very well.
And it's amazing how well that is sewn up. Mm-hmm. You said people are putting carpets in the bedrooms. Is that because a lot of active adults are worried about falling and that cushions the fall?
Yep, and it's a comfort to your feet.
Okay, and I'm also hearing a lot of people making flooring decisions for health reasons, asthma and such as that. Are you seeing some of that?
Well, with active seniors, I would say 65 and over, their doctors are actually recommending that they do not put rugs down on their flooring. So, just because of the tripping hazard.
Okay. What's popular today in Central Florida as far as flooring? What are you seeing the trends?
Well, the trend is luxury vinyl planking.
Luxury vinyl.
Mm-hmm. And it comes like a wood look, but it also comes in a tile look also.
And I guess the thing, when you hear vinyl planking, it's not your mother's roll vinyl flooring.
No, it's not
the stuff you sell for $3.
Vinyl.
No,
right.
You sell it for $3 a square yard.
Right, right. We do carry that, but it's not as popular as the planking right now.
Let's go through the process of buying a floor, because so many people get confused. First off, if someone wanted to buy a floor from Don Cary at Great Lakes Carpet and Tile, the first thing they're going to do is call you at what number?
Well, the best number to call would be our Wildwood store, since it is the biggest, and that number is 352-689-0210, and that number can direct you to any of our 4 stores.
Okay. What happens from there? Say I want to get my carpet or flooring replaced in my house. What happens from there?
Well, a lot of times the customers will walk in the door, and then they look around at some flooring. They usually have a pretty good idea what they want, because the consumers are very educated today with the internet. So they'll pick out a few types of floors, and a lot of times we encourage them to take them home to see how they look in their lighting of their home. And then we would set up a measure. So our measure guy would go out there, get the measurements, and then from that we can give them a price, and usually
Okay.
they don't even have to come back in the store at that point.
All right. When you give them a price, does it cost for your guy to go out there and measure? Do you have to charge?
No, we do not charge for measures. It's
Okay.
complimentary.
It's complimentary. If someone decides, okay, I like the price, I'd like to buy it, is there a deposit required?
Well, we usually take a 50% deposit down,
Okay.
and then the materials are ordered. We try to get everything from the start of the process to the end within 3 weeks. A lot of times we do it quicker. But
So from that time that you get the first call, 3 weeks later, you should have new flooring in your home. Wow, that's great.
Yep.
That's great. Dumb question. How can a homeowner tell if they've got a good flooring they're picking out, or if they're using a good installer?
Well, there's with carpet, you have density of your fibers. So the more dense the fiber, the more expensive the carpet would be. We have all types of flooring for all price points, and we work with our customers' budget.
If someone gets an estimate and do you match other people's prices? Or?
Absolutely, we do have a price match guarantee.
Okay, so it's important. So you're trying to work with people.
Exactly.
'Cause there is different levels of pricing.
Right.
You've brought a lot of samples for us to look at. So we're going to go to the Romac show and tell desk, because best thing in carpet and flooring is just
Right.
look at it. We can't explain it. And when we return, we're going to be at the Romac show and tell desk, and we're going to look at some beautiful, various types of flooring. Stay tuned. We're back at the Romac Building Supply show and tell desk with Dawn Cary. She's with Great Lakes Carpet and Tile right here in the Villages and 4 other locations, and she's got some beautiful samples, and we're going to go through these.
Okay.
First off, what is this, Dawn?
This is our Cortec luxury vinyl planking. And
This is vinyl.
yes, it's 100%
Wow.
waterproof. So one of the things you want to look out for is your wear layer milliliters. 20 milliliter is a good thickness for this.
So I
wear
can
layer.
see this top layer is
Yep,
awfully thick.
It's pure vinyl.
Yeah, it's probably an 1/8 inch thick, and this is nothing like the vinyl flooring we used to see.
No, and this is actually cork backed.
Yep.
Cortec is all Cortec products are cork backed.
So you don't hear that tap, tap, tap.
Correct. It takes the hollowness away. Not that there's a lot in vinyl since it's solid.
I suspect this is extremely durable and easy to clean.
Yes, very easy.
Okay.
And you can actually take a knife to it and you can't scratch it.
Wow. Well, we're going to set that to the side because we got a lot more to go through. Now, this feels like concrete.
Well, it's actually porcelain tile.
Oh, really?
Yep. And
It looks like wood.
you can't really see with the naked eye, but all plank tile has a bow in it. So
Okay.
a good installation practice when you're installing the planking is to use clips and wedge self-leveling system.
Oh, right. So
And that way you don't have peaking at the end.
So you don't recommend using the leveler, the concrete leveler on the
Well,
floor?
you're going to put leveler underneath,
Okay.
but these clips and wedges actually keep the tile consistently level through the home. So you're not stubbing your toe on each plank as you're
Catching
walking
a
through.
heel.
Correct.
So-
So that's another safety feature.
So this is real popular in regards to people living
Yes.
in their homes.
Yes.
And I'm assuming
It's the wood look.
easy
so-
to clean. What about
You have-
breakage?
Porcelain is very durable because it's another solid baked product.
Okay.
So porcelain will not break like ceramic does.
That's a beautiful product.
Yes, it is very, very popular also.
Now, to me, this appears to be one of the more popular products. A lot of people are using. Explain this one to us.
Well, this is laminate, and laminate is basically engineered pressed board.
And this is Mohawk.
Yep, and with laminate, you need to put a membrane under it. They call it a floor muffler because this was the original laminate was Pergo. So with Pergo flooring, you had to have a membrane under it to keep your clicking noise down.
You know, a lot of people have, when this came out, everyone rushed to the product. We're talking about 15, 20 years ago. And then they sort of stepped back because they felt like it wasn't as durable and they had some issues. But the technology has really evolved,
Yes.
hasn't it?
And some of the laminate now comes with a 72-hour water shield.
Wow.
So if you get it mopped up and cleaned up within 72 hours, you won't have any delaminating.
I have seen people actually start and put this product in bathrooms. Have you seen that application?
Yes, we do. It's not highly recommended to do that because of it. This is not a waterproof flooring, but people do put it in kitchens.
The nice thing about it, though, it's a surface that's safe if
Yes,
someone's got
it's got some texture to it. This is a hand scraped laminate, so it's definitely has got some texture, not slip.
If you're worried about falling or
Right.
catching the heel because of
Right.
tile, that won't happen here.
Correct.
Now, you mentioned earlier about the padding. And to me, I've been told by other flooring people, the key to a great system is this.
Yep, will increase the life of your carpet, the padding. And this is a 10-pound gel pad. It's a premium pad, and it's stain resistant, so if you have a dog that has an accident, it will not penetrate the pad.
And that's very, very important.
So that if you have your carpet cleaned, everything will be sucked up that sits on top of the pad. So your pad will still be good.
But you know, that's where most people, I've heard for years and years, get ripped off on flooring is they cheapen the pad or put a terrible pad or sometimes no pad. Is that what you find out?
I've heard stories that you buy a premium pad and they install a 6-pound pad, but I don't hear about that often. It happens,
It's
I
hard
guess.
to see anyway.
Yes, yes.
Tell us about the carpet on top. You've got some beautiful
Well,
carpet
I brought
here.
some nylon carpets. Polyester is a fiber that's inexpensive and it cleans up well. It's just not as long wearing as nylon is. So I brought a textured carpet.
That seems real durable.
We have a lot of people who will come in and ask for footprint-proof carpet. There is no such thing, but you can get away with seeing the footprints if you go with a Berber or a sculptured carpet. This is considered pattern sculptured.
And then what type of carpet is this?
That is a Smart Strand. That's a nylon, and that's very durable with stains. It cleans up well, and it has a soil protection in it. And I believe this carpet here is the density is 55 ounces. So your ounces with carpet make a big difference with the denser the carpet, the less you're going to see footprints.
And then what type of carpet
This is also a Cary stand. It's a premium nylon, and it has a little bit of cashmere in it.
Okay. I want to thank Don Cary for being our guest today and showing us this wonderful flooring. And I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go to our website, aroundthehouse.tv, and sign up for our YouTube channel and our weekly newsletter. Until next time, we will see you around the house.